I am Dr. Nasir Iqbal Ummati, President, Pharmacer Association, Pakistan. The purpose to upload this video is very clarify that we represent to pharmaceutical industry. So we have noticed that this pandemic, corona virus is spread in Pakistan as well as all over the Pakistan. So the life of a pharmaceutical industry is on threat, is on danger zone, because the pharmaceutical industry people works hospital to hospital, he goes clinic to clinic, he travel from train to bus, bus to train, or he sits in wide areas or covered areas. So his life of a medical lab life, pharmaceutical industry life is on threat, is on danger. If a pharmaceutical industry people's life is on danger, he is affected. At the same time, his family will also be affected. So, keeping in view this matter, Pharmacer Association has planned to provide COVID-19 vaccination free of any cost for pharmaceutical people and their families. With the collaboration of DHO, District Health Officer Raima Khan, he is providing us free of cost COVID-19 vaccination. This effort is made by Shahid Rashid Saab. He has made his special efforts to create this situation, this opportunity. Meeting arranged by Shahid Rashid Saab with DHO, and they announced that they will give us vaccination free of cost. This event is supervised, organized, facilitated by our chairman, Mr. Malik Ejaz Saab, who is also vice chairman, Raima Khan Chamber of Commerce Industry, as well as Malik Ejaz Saab is chairman Pharmacer Association also. So he is paying his much attention in this event, to organize this event, to facilitate this event. Malik Saab are supporting a lot of us. The criteria to avail this COVID vaccination is your age limit. If you are 30 or 30 plus, you are eligible for free vaccination. If you are below 30, even if you are 29, you are not eligible. This is the criteria. And if you are coming to attain COVID vaccination, you should bring your ID card along with you, because we have to maintain further record. The venue is very clear. You have to proceed, you have to visit, you have to reach at Swift Sales, house number 7, Link Islamia Jamia Road, Iqbal Nagar, Raima Khan. The date is 8 June 2021. The day is Tuesday, which is coming next day, tomorrow. And timing is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So the life of a pharmaceutical industry is on threat. Keeping in view this matter, we are providing this opportunity absolutely free of any cost. So please pray for our effort, for our team, for District Health Officer who has approved this free of cost vaccination. Please pray for Malik Ejaz Saab, who is organizing this event, helping us a lot, and supervising this event, Malik Ejaz Saab. And Shahid Rashid Saab has taken approval, taken opportunity for us, and all over the team of Pharmacer Association. I would like to pay salam to Pharmacer Association team, that since 2012 Pharmacer Association serving the community, serving the humanity in a various way. Tomorrow we are also waiting for pharmaceutical industry people. Please come along with your family and avail the facility provided by us, free of cost COVID-19 vaccination. We are waiting for you.